Welcome to How to Code Reading Behaviors with Running Records. I'm your host, Dr. Julie Webb, and the creator of LitCentric.com. Now today, I'm going to walk you through in this video how to code insertions. That's when students read along and all of a sudden put in a word that really doesn't belong there. We're going to take a look at how to code that in this video. Now before we get to insertions, which are very simple to do, I want to make sure that you don't miss a single video as they come out from LitCentric's YouTube channel. So hit subscribe below and click that little bell up in the corner of your screen to make sure you don't miss out on a single video, because there's going to be a lot more to come. All right, let's take a look at insertions. So we know that when a student reads along, we're going to put a tick mark above each word they read correctly. But every once in a while, a student will add in a word that actually isn't there. And that can actually tell us a lot about what a student is doing and how they're processing text. So in this case, instead of saying we like to play, the student is going to say we all like to play. So let's see how we would code that. So correct reading so far, we, but all of a sudden here, the word all comes up. We all like to play. This is actually a really easy code to learn. It's just like when you put a caret in writing when you forgot to add in a word. It's the same little code. So we're going to put that little caret there and we're going to write the word all so that we know that that was student behavior. Remember how student behavior always goes above the words or above the line here. So that caret indicates to us that there was an insertion made. We all like to play. So here again, the student read the rest of the sentence correctly and they inserted a word that really wasn't there. In this case, they inserted a word and the sentence actually still makes a lot of sense. It's still grammatically correct, and that gives us some information about this reader. Now, all of these codes are important, but the codes themselves don't tell us as much as we need to know. Luckily, Running Records have our bases covered. And I've created a resource for you to help you understand these codes and, more importantly, how to score them. I've created Running Record Bootcamp. It's my online course that's designed for the busy teacher who really doesn't have a lot of time in her day. You can take the course piece by piece, as fast or as slow as you like, and it's designed to fill in all the gaps that your district training didn't provide you, that is hard to process from the books out there, and it gives you demonstrations so that you understand what things look like and sound like with real students and real running records. And really importantly, I show you exactly how to score a running record. You actually watch me do a running record with a student and exactly how to score it, so we can learn how accurately the student read that particular text and some of the other reading behaviors that are really important that we want to instill in our students. Running Record Bootcamp shows you all of those things and more. Now, if you click the link below in the comments to Running Record Bootcamp, I've got some resources in there for you, and there's one I want you to download right now. It's called LitCentric's Common Codes Cheat Sheet. And you'll have to swim through the Running Record Bootcamp. There's all sorts of lessons in there, even some videos you can watch for free today. But you'll find in there that Common Codes Cheat Sheet. And it has examples of all the codes like insertions that we're covering in this brief video series, but also what in the world those codes could be telling us or revealing about our readers. That part is really important. The codes are just the first step. We really want to dig deeper and understand what our readers need from us. So grab that Common Codes cheat sheet and try it out with your students. I hope you do, and have a great day at school.